Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use LeapShare, an easy method for transferring files. First, ensure both your sending and receiving devices are connected to the same local network, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This direct connection allows for very fast transfers, often reaching speeds of several hundred megabytes per second, making it ideal for large files. It's a simple, efficient way to move data without cloud services. To begin, download and install the LeapShare application on both the device you wish to send from and the device you wish to receive on. Once installed, open the application on each device. You will likely be prompted to grant network access permissions. Please accept these to allow communication. Each device will then display a unique name or IP address, which you will use to identify it during the transfer process. Now, let's send some files. On your sending device, simply select the files or folders you want to share directly within the LeapShare application. After selection, click the Send button. A list of available devices on your network will appear. Choose the correct receiving device. A confirmation prompt will then appear on the receiving device, and once accepted, your files will begin transferring almost instantly. When a transfer is initiated, the receiving device will display a notification asking you to accept the incoming files. Simply click Accept, and the files will begin downloading to a default folder, usually Downloads, on your device. For best performance, ensure both devices remain on the same local network throughout the transfer. This method is incredibly efficient for moving large amounts of data quickly and privately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.